Okay, to graph this one, let's first get all the terms on the same side of the equal sign. So subtract this term from both sides. So it shows up negative on the opposite side. We have 2x minus 3y squared minus 2x plus 3y squared equals 1. Now, what I'm going to use next is this principle that a squared minus b squared factors as a plus b times a minus b. And we can apply that to this difference of squares. And so, we have, here's a squared minus b squared. That's a plus b times a minus b, so it's 2x minus 3y plus 2x plus 3y. That's just a plus b times a minus b. That's 2x minus 3y minus the b, which is 2x plus 3y. To help you here, let me write in that this is a that's being squared, and this is the b that's being squared. Everything in the parentheses there, that might help you to see what we were just doing. Oh, and all of this equals 1. So now the negative distributes through the parentheses, and you get negative 2x and a negative 3y. Now notice all that cancels here. The negative 3y and the positive 3y cancel, and the positive 2x and the negative 2x cancels. And so what we have is simply 2x plus 2x is 4x times negative 3y. Negative 3y is negative 6y equals 1. Let's divide both sides by 24. By negative 24, in fact, to get rid of the 6 and the 4 on this side. Then we end up with x times y equals negative 1/24. So there's the hyperbola that we need to graph in its simplest form. So to graph this, we need to find some points on the graph of this hyperbola. So let's make a little xy table over here. And if x is equal to, let's say 1/6, then y is equal to negative 1/4, so that when you multiply those two numbers, 1/6 times negative 1/4, you get negative 1/24. Similarly, negative 1/6 and positive 1/4 have a product of negative 1/24. So those 2 points should help us to graph this. So here we go. X and y axes. And here we go. So 1/6 and negative 1/4. Let's say this is 1/6 and this is negative 1/4. So we have a point here. Notice we also have a point if this was 1/4 and this was negative 1/6. So I go over 1/4. Well, anyway, that's okay. That's enough points. And negative 1/6 go up 1/4, so negative 1/6. We have to go up 1/4. So anyway, we get a curve that looks something like this through those points. You don't need many points to graph hyperbolas. And there we have it, the graph of the hyperbola they gave us to graph.